Summer!
Hello!
Check it out, we are back in the swing of things. The kids hit school 3 days ago. This is what we've sold so far this week in 5 days. These are our bad boys that we are getting ready to ship out. This is it! Super stoked to be back.
Feels good to be back in the swing of things.
It does, and be selling stuff. And guys, a couple days ago, I actually started the consistency. I started listing 2 things a night. That is plays a huge role in your business. So you have to keep that up when you're doing it to be able to keep the sales coming in. So check it out.
4 sales for $53.35.
$53.35, guys. That's amazing. That's an awesome week for us. Super stoked, especially coming off a vacation. We just got back, less than a week ago? Yeah, just got back less than a week ago, and we were able to sell this stuff the first week back. Super stoked. The week's not over. We got 2 more days, so we'll see how it goes, but we're super excited to see. I'll give you a little breakdown of it. This one, we actually bought this one on the 30-day road trip, and we ended up paying $200 for that bad boy. We actually sold it for, what is this one?
$2,800.
$2,800. This one is a floor, I think it's a cleaner floor. I bought 3 of these from an auction. I think it was about $20 a piece for these. It's a duplex and it cleans, what is it called? Escalators. So I think that's what it's made for, is cleaning escalators. It's got brushes on the bottom, pretty sweet. It is not working. I sold it for parts. Paid $20 for it. We sold it for $700. Super stoked about that one, $6.99. This one is a concrete grinder. We've had this one for probably about 6 months. I bought it. You guys are not. You don't take me. We'll have to check it, but I'm pretty sure I paid between $200 and $300 for it, maybe $250. Sold it for $1,700. This one actually is getting picked up. This one is getting shipped out by FedEx. This one will be FedEx as well. And then this one is actually going on a pallet and it will be shipped free. So a wide range of stuff. Oh, the backpack. We picked that up from the flea market. We've had that sucker forever. I haven't really tried to sell it. I've had it listed, but I haven't really done anything with it. We got an offer for $90 on it, sold it for $90. I think I might have paid $10 for it. That's about what I would pay for a hiking backpack from the flea market. But we've had that one for over a year for sure. It's just been sitting in storage. So anyways, that's it, guys. We are stoked. Thank you for watching. We are stoked, guys. Stoked to be back. Stoked to be in the saddle, making some money. Super excited about it. That's it. We're getting them shipped out. Most of these will go out today, except for this one. I think this one will go out on Monday because it's a pallet. I have to throw it on a pallet, put a crate around it, get it ready for shipping. The rest of these are actually, they'll be all gone today. We'll get them all shipped out and fulfilled today. So, all right, guys. Anything else we need to add?
Anything, Mary? Bye.
You guys rock. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Bye.
See ya.